Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet table cover designs. Different color, different designs, different ideas you can see. Combinations also. Different stylish and most amazing collection. Crochet is always beautiful and always amazing, stylish and expensive also. If you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designer as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet table cover design and other crochet material like crochet bed sheet cover design, sofa cover design, cushion cover design, curtain designs, and also crochet women long dresses, short dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless dresses, off shoulder dresses, crochet woman scarf design, flowering scarf design, caplet, cap shawl, and crochet jacket design, curtain design, and crochet cardigan, blouse, top designs. So dear friends, also crochet baby material like crochet baby frock design, crochet baby sandal design, romper design, and crochet baby bow design, cap design, scarf and caplet, cap shawl design also. Crochet woman jewelry also like crochet woman necklace design, earring design, bracelet design, feet jewelry like crochet woman anklet design, baby anklet design also. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So dear friends, don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. How was the video, how was the design? So dear friends, try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video with your close friends. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection. Remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.